everyone, hope you are doing well. This is me, Janvi Doshi, dietitian and fitness consultant at Get Fit with JD. We all know soft drinks are pretty bad for our health, but as long as the rest of your diet is healthy, it really doesn't matter. This is what most of us think when it comes to giving up any bad food habit or say addictions. It becomes very difficult to give up on them. No matter how hard you try, you just can't escape from it. I know a lot of people out there who can't survive without drinking a glass or even say a bottle of soft drink in a day. Be it a 10 rupees bottle or 20 rupees bottle, they just need it. Now what is that single factor or single particular thing which makes it so addictive, which makes soft drinks so addictive? Apart from being delicious, apart from being tasty, apart from giving you satisfaction, there are three factors which makes it so addictive. The first factor is obviously the sugar factor. A bottle or say a can of soda or soft drink usually contains about 40 to 80 grams of sugar, of white sugar, which is like equally eating 20 to 30 packets of sugar. Scary, isn't it? This is not the ideal consumption advised to be eaten in a day, but still you are consuming in form of sodas and soft drinks. The second factor is the caffeine. Any soda or any soft drink contains little amount of caffeine. It stimulates your brain. It increases your dopamine levels. Dopamine is a happy hormone. So whenever you drink soft drink or say even chocolates, your happy hormones increases in our body and hence you tend to crave more. Your sugar level rises very much and hence you crave more for sweetness. Also, there are people out there who rely on soft drinks for energy boost or say alertness, but I would say it is not a good thing to do. The third factor is the fizz factor. The fizz, or we often call as bubbles, or in science language we call as carbonation, is another thing which makes it so attractive and makes you so much to crave about it. Now in the market there are different soft drinks available. There are different healthy soft drinks available which we often call as diet soda or say 0 calorie soda or no calorie soda. Now how are they different from our regular soda? So the sugar, the white sugar is replaced by artificial sweeteners and obviously it has low calorie or say no calories at all. But if you will ask me, it is same as drinking like 2-3 bottles of regular soda. So why just you don't go and have the regular soda instead of having a diet soda? It is just as same as regular soda. It has no nutrition at all. It is full of artificial sweeteners. It is full of preservatives. Hence, just don't go into those diet labels. Now, if you are drinking soda or say soft drinks occasionally or say few times in a month, it is totally okay. It is not a big concern. But yes, if you are one of them who is drinking on regular basis or say every second or third day, I would say just give it up, because it is not really going to help your body. It is totally going to destroy your body. Apart from weight gain, there are various health conditions which you will suffer later in life. Along with heart diseases, you will have kidney diseases like kidney stones. There are chances of getting kidney stones. Along with that, diabetes, thyroid, osteoporosis, your joints may get weakened. Along with that, you may have dental cavities or loose teeth, or you might get some kind of gum infection, and there are many more health conditions which you will face if you are drinking soft drink or soda on regular basis. So please just give it up. Don't just make it a particular habit. I know it is very difficult to give up our food addictions or say even food cravings or food habits, but little smaller changes here and there will definitely have greater impact on your body. Now for instance, if you are one of them who tend to drink soft drink every other day or every 2 days later, what you can do is just try switching up with a normal regular water And if you're one of them who tend to drink 2 cans of soda in a day, what you can do is one time you can have the soda and the other time you can switch it to water. Carry a bottle of water with you everywhere you go, and whenever you get those cravings in your mind, switch it up to drinking water. Drinking water will obviously reduce your calorie intake. It will reduce like 100 to 150 calories intake in a day, which is very important when it comes to weight loss. And apart from that, the health conditions which I mentioned before won't be increased if you drink water. In fact, they will be reduced. And you all know drinking water has really great benefits in our body. Your skin will glow, your hair texture will become much better, and rest all. So yes, drinking water is one of the option. If you are one of them who is super bored with drinking plain water, you can switch it up to fruit infused water. You all must have heard about detox waters, right? So fruit infused water is the same thing. Instead of putting vegetables along with the fruits, what you can do is take a bottle of water, put any of your favorite fruits, be it strawberries or be it kiwis or melons or anything, and let it sit for like, say 2-3 hours. And whenever you go out or tend to crave for soft drinks or sodas, just sip on that fruit infused water. It will really give you relief. Not only it will give you a refreshment, but you will obviously get all the required vitamins and minerals, which in case of regular soda you are not at all getting. So fruit infused water is good idea. So if fruit infused water or the plain water doesn't work well for you, there is something called as sparkling water, which is available outside. You can obviously opt for unsweetened sparkling water. Sparkling water is basically a carbonated water. It just has that carbonation into it, the bubbles into it. It has no sugar into it. So yes, it is one of the option which you can switch to. Now I know there are people who drink soda or say soft drink for energy boosting. So if this is your case, I would say check on your sleep. Whenever your sleep is less than 5 to 6 hours, you tend to crave more for sweets. You tend to crave for more, whatever cravings you have. So your sleep is very important when it comes to such things. So yes, keep a track of your sleep and don't switch to those sodas and soft drinks for your energy boost. There are various other things which you can obviously try for energy boost. The bottom line, quitting up or completely giving up your food addiction or food cravings is obviously going to be difficult, but if you try to make little changes here and there, if you try little harder for yourself, your body is going to thank you for it. It will obviously have positive effect on your body, your health, your body, and your waistline will definitely thank you later. So yes, switch it up to those healthy alternatives which I mentioned about whenever you feel like drinking a can of soda or a bottle. And yes, that's all for today. I hope this information really helps you out to overcome the craving or addiction for sodas or soft drink, and share it to whomever needs to hear it out. And yes, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, stay fit, stay strong, stay healthy.